Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your level. This tutorial is not the same as the previous tutorial I've done on how to add music, but however they are very similar. Having sound effects added to your level creates a more realistic environment, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. Here in this area I am standing in an area shape with sound effects, as you can see. And you can hear the seagulls and the sound waves effects. If I go out this blue area box, you cannot hear nothing, because this area box is basically the zone where the sound effects will be carried out. Like if you go near, you can hear just a little bit. If you go inside, you can hear the full amount of effects. Okay, let's just get rid of this sound for now and get ready to start. Firstly we will need to add an area shape. To do this we will need to click area and then shape, but however some people tend to choose area boxes, but these are very limited and I don't find them very useful really. To do shapes is very easy. They're very flexible and allow you more space and more things to do and add to that particular shape. Okay, let's get started. Once we selected shape, we can see we are able to start drawing. So if we zoom out a bit, using your mouse, just draw a shape that you would want, like so. In this tutorial I'm gonna be drawing a big shape in order to be able to have sound effects on this map, on this terrain. So and just start drawing. You cannot do you might not do as big as this one, but I just wanna have a big one, so I will not be able to do another one afterwards. Like so, start drawing, maybe up here. Then if I can change it, just editing the shape itself. Once we've drawn the shape, double click to end the drawing phase, and now you can see we have a shape, but we will need to change the shape parameters. To do this, we will need to change the height in order to be able to hear the sound in that area. So you can see the shape started to get taller, but only this section, so we need to make it even bigger, like so. In some places it's not a lot, but for now it's okay. Okay, we can also move this shape just a bit down in order to make sure that it's covered everything, even just a little bit under the terrain, to make sure sound is will be perfect when we jump into the game. Now if we jump into the game, there will be nothing, no sound or nothing, just shape. To do this we will need to add ambient volume and random sound volume. To do this we'll need to make sure we have that selected in order to place the icons on top of our terrain, and then select sound and ambient volume, like so. Ambient volume allows you to play sound effects constantly throughout the shape, and random sound volume enable you to play random sounds, like every time you go into the shape. These random effects will not be played constantly, so we will need to make 6 of these random volume icons. To do this we will press Ctrl C and just do 6 more, like so. Once we finish, press escape, and now we will need to assign sound effects to these icons. We will begin by the ambient volume. Okay, once selected, using here on the parameters side, you can scroll down and you can see here where it says name. There's the other side is blank, so this means that we have to assign a sound effect to it. To do this, we'll need to click, and you can see there's a little folder. Just press that folder, and here CryEngine 3 opens the sound browser window where we can choose different sounds effects. For this tour, I'm going to be using the environment folder, and then be using the forest folder, but you can choose any folder you would like. Okay, forest folder. Okay, as this icon is an ambient volume, we'll need to assign a constant file that will be played throughout the area shape. Okay, I'm gonna make a forest ambient ambience file. Choose this one, and you can hear once we click there, you can hear the sound preview. Once we selected our file, just press OK, like so, and we are done for this icon now. Click the next icon, which is the random sound volume, and do the same here. However, this time we'll need to select a different file, one-shot file, in order to play that file randomly, known as the ambient volume constantly. So I'll choose this one, Woodpecker one shot, and you can hear it is very short. This file is perfect because the random sound volume, you play this randomly, and you might play a couple of times, you might play once, you might even not play sometimes. Okay, once we choose this one, press OK, and we finish for that one. The next icon, do the same thing, but remember, choose a different file, not the same. So I'm gonna be using which one? I'll be using this one, I'll Cry One Shot. And you can hear the sound is very short as well. Again, press OK. The next one will be alright, this one, Crow One Shot, like so. Press OK. Next one will be Bird Fly Off Calm. There's a big difference between this one and that one, but I'm going to choose this one, Calm. Next one will be a different one, maybe which one? You can choose a lot from here, but I might choose where is it? This one, Crash Side Ambience. So press OK, and the last one will be which one? Maybe this one. Yeah, that one. And press OK. Now, if we jump into the game and enter this sound area shape, we will not be hearing anything because we will need to link the sound icons, which are these, to that shape. So to do this, we will need to select the shape, like so, and then scroll down to this section here, target section. Then click on pick, and now we can just pick that icon, like so. Click pick again, the other one, and do the same things for the rest of the ones, like so. Like so. And you can see there's lines underneath them that shows they're linked. Once we've done this, press escape, and now when we enter the area, you can begin to hear various sound effects, like so. these sound effects create a more realistic feel to the environment, and once we begin adding trees, even more trees around here and here behind and other stuff, it will make it even better realistic environment. You can always change these sound by doing the same here, change the name, and just changing one other ones, but it all depends on whatever you want. Thanks for watching my tutorial, and see you next time.